Well, you guys, the RV industry did it. They made one, a tiny home. Let's look at it. So I had the day off yesterday and I wandered in and ran into this guy this morning. What we've got here is a 2024 Keystone Springdale. It's a 245 ml. This is their attempt to take a shot at the tiny home industry, and it's really slick. So this guy runs off of a 50 amp service. This little utility area here shows you tire link, prep for a charge controller, as well as inverter prep too. Nice to know. So for those of you that are boondocking or off grid, hot water on demand, always a nice thing to have, especially if you've got a family. Down low, there's two dump runs, tandem axle on this guy, outdoor shower. But the real presence, the real cool side of this is where you come around here. How many trailers can you find nowadays where you get your own private deck? Especially one like this. Like, this is a full-on patio. So, lakeside view, a couple of chairs, maybe a barbecue. Very, very cool. So we're gonna move inside the unit. Floor to ceiling windows. Well, not quite, but close. You get my gist. Theater recliners here across from the entertainment area. Lots of natural light. And bedding. So you've got one area over there. I'd probably say that's for the kids. Moving on up here. Oh, look at this. Twin beds. Fireplace. So you got some electric heat. Nice amount of storage. And then windows on both sides for that cross breeze. Moving back down. The kitchen area is no slouch despite the size. Lots of cabinetry. They're nicely put together. Some good space for your garbage can underneath cabinets. Residential style faucet. Look at that stainless sink. We've got a microwave over there. 3-burner cooktop. A little bit smaller oven. Across from the old reliable 12-volt fridge. Now this is a monster prep area. That looks to me like it could be I don't think it's a washer. I think it could be a dishwasher or a washing machine. There's enough depth there to get away with a combo unit. Very smart. Heading into the bathroom. Now the one thing I'm going to knock them for, plastic toilet. I think they could have just opted for the porcelain. I'm sure for those of you looking at these, it's pretty easy to swap out. Lots of linen storage all throughout. Good sized vanity. More storage underneath there. Medicine cabinet. Hot water and demand controls. And a good sized residential shower. I'm just going to hop in here. 4 inches above my head and I'm 6 feet tall. That's not bad. But man, what a great concept. They did such a good job with this design. And minimal space too. Now, how does that pop out? That's a two-hand job. I'll have to do that after, but you guys get the idea. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this, ask away because I'm learning as we go. But I am thoroughly impressed. I think Keystone hit this one out of the park. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let's chat soon.